Alright, so we're doing a injection service on the QG. Right, we're using the Barryman, the B12 from Chem Tool. Right, we're pouring the contents into here, hooking up the air supply onto there, running it at about 50 psi, setting it through the regulator, hook up to the fuel rail. Right, we disconnect the fuel pump and we're letting it run until it's done. Right, so we're running at a little higher pressure, it's about 60 psi. Right, but basically this is how it is here, the car idling. Just kind of starting as the fuel pump, going through the line, in the reel. Right, and we're just running it until everything, all the contents in the can empty. Finally finished after 45 minutes. So it still have air in the canister. So we take off the valve on the compressor and we just press this here to release the pressure. But it's going down to 0 there. So now we can disconnect it from the reel. We can tighten this here. Right, not too tight. Just tighten it enough. Disconnect the hose. And we unscrew in here. Might have a little residue. Right, we're good to go there. Unscrew the hose clamp, go back in the gas line, and hook back up the fuel pump, and we good to go. Everything connected. So just hook back up the fuel pump, fuse, and pressurize the rail and start.